needed therapy when I was little. And I never got it. Instead, I just wrote down fucked up shit and smiled with you fine people every weekend. And God damn it, I think it fucking worked. I think it fucking worked. And I've been thinking a lot about it. The first time I ever played heavy music in front of people, I was 14 years old with my best friend Dan. We were in a little garage band playing high school talent shows, trying to show people what mosh was. And as soon as he agreed to come down and play this show with me, I said to myself, this is my last show with Bury or Dead. So I just want to say to you guys, I appreciate this. I appreciate you. You may not know it, but when you bought a ticket for this show, you bought an opportunity to say goodbye to me, and I love you so much. And I wanted to say that for a long time, but I didn't want to take away from the most important thing that's happening this weekend. So if you're like me and all you want to do is cry right now, come join me for Misery Signals tomorrow. We can cry at that. And if you want to come say bye to me, this song's called Color Money. Get the fuck on top of me. Don't